I'm here at my friend Derek's house, and I've been working on this really cool DIY project for him. I wanted to give him some curb appeal. I wanted to repaint a door, give him a nice new schlag lock. He has 2 kids now, so what better way to help him out than to make his front door easy and pretty? I tend to like bold and fun colors, and Derek already has like a pale yellow siding on his house, and I thought, what kind of color can go with that? Do I want to do white, or do I want to do turquoise and be really in your face? I think it looks beautiful, I think it's cool, it adds some personality to the house, so I generally choose to go with something a little bit more fun. I think curb appeal is so important for a house. First of all, it gives your house characteristic in your neighborhood. You stand out. I think it's nice to feel good about the house you own, not to mention for resale value. The entire process was really quick and easy for me. I had a door. I actually set it up on 2 garbage bins to spray it. Because I picked such a bold and bright, fun color, a really neat trick to do is when you're priming your door first, tint your primer. First of all, you're gonna have to do less paint coats, so you're spending less money in paint. And secondly, it's going to stick a lot better. Your adhesion on that door is going to be great. So I did 2 coats on this door. One was a tinted primer, and I used a battery-powered paint sprayer. I made sure the door was propped in a really comfortable place for me to work. Nothing was really in my way that I could get covered in, turquoise paint, because that would be messy. I held my arm straight about 8 inches off the surface I was painting, and I sprayed 1 stroke evenly, and when you go to your next, you don't stop. You continuously go, and you overspray about half of what your first row was and continue going throughout the door. Once we let the primer dry on the door, we did our second coat of our finished color, which was a little bit brighter, a little bit more of a nicer finish. Let it set and dry, installed the door, and we then installed a Schlag Smart Lock. I chose to install a Schlag Smart Sense lock because first of all, I think they're amazing. I have one on my house. It's easy for him to use. He has 2 kids now, and when he's fumbling for the door, if he doesn't have his keys in his hands, all they have to do is pin in their code and they can get in their house. Same with if they have a babysitter coming over or a pet walker, they can have their own codes, which will be deleted eventually off the door. You don't need a key. Another great feature with the Schlag Smart Sense lock is that if someone comes into Derek's house and he's not home, he'll get a notification on his phone. It's safety, it's smart, it's there for the family. I tend to like really bold and bright colors. I think it's a little bit more fun, and on the outside of such a nice house like this, why not have a really beautiful front door instead of just white and plain so you don't know what to pick? Pick fun. This was a really simple and quick DIY. All I did was paint and change the front door, add a new knob, put some flowers and really nice planters by the front door, and look at the difference. It didn't take a long time, it was fast work, and I think it really makes this house look great.